Good morning, everyone. I am Vishnu Ektab, and in front of all of you, I'm presenting the Business Standard newspaper headlines. So, first of all, Twitter fires majority of India employees. Next, EU regulators move may disturb bond derivatives markets. Next, European banks loss may be US peers gain. Next, Indigo net loss widened 10% to rupees 1,583 crore. Next, 350 in Udan to get pink slip in pursuit of profitability. Next, rupees logs best one day gain in a month on strong FPI flows. Next, forex reserve jump $6.5 billion to $531 billion. Next, US Treasury Secretary Yellen to visit India on November 11. Next, pre-budget talks likely from third week of November. Then next, mining and metal firms see revivals of fortune in September quarter. Then we comes to page number 2. On that, Reliance appoints KV Kamath has independent director for 5 years. Next, Byju's Ropes in Messi has global brand ambassador for social arm. Next, Samsung sales record $1.7 billion of phones over festival season. Next, GE Aerospace TASL extend $1 billion contract for aircraft engine parts. Next, exports to account for 48% of 9 PLI scheme. Next, telecom operators to step up pace of 5G rollout. Next, FMCG firm watch rural demand with bated breath. Next, Hero MotoCorp Harley close in on motorcycle platform. Next, Reliance Cap lenders meet ends in installment. And then we comes to the page number 3. On that, L&T may close disinvestment of road assets by financial year 2023. Next, no vote from DOT since April on dues conversion. Next, Tesla ex India policy chief set to join Ether. Next, Pegatron starts making iPhone model in India. Next, Titan locks 30% rise in net. Next, Cipla quarter to pet up 11% at rupees 789 crore. Next, Marico quarter to net falls to rupees 307 crore. Next, TVS Motor profit up 59%. Next, Indigo to resume flights to China, Myanmar after 3-year lull. Then we come to page number 4. On that, FTA with India to be expedited with the next few months. British involving. Next, Commerce Ministry to release trade data once every month. Next, need quick note for patents fielded by government related bodies. Goel. Next, India raises concern over rising trade deficit with South Korea. Next, terror funding case. ED attaches J&K separatist Srinagar house. Next, government notice enhanced support for central state PPP projects. Next, center may raise authorized fund in NSFDC by rupees 1000 crore. Next, price rise may be persistent as it has moved into core inflation in Asia. The next, silos need to be broken to expedite policies project. Then we comes to page number 6. On that, mustard covered 70% of normal sowing area, wheat spikes. Next, not in the race for market share. Next, FX gold reserve jump. Next, GAIL net down 46% on higher prices. Russia gas disturbed. Next, US Treasury Security Yellen to visit India on November 11. Then we comes to page number 7. On that, pensionable salary under EPS capped at rupees 15,000 month. Next, Delhi civic body election on December 4. Next, ex-TV journalist Gadhavis in AAP's Gujarat CM face. Next, IT searches on Jharkhand Congress MLA over tax evasion charges. Next, lobby to incentivize protest against GM mustard note. Then we comes to page number 8. On that, top Twitter advisor advertiser to hit the pause button. Next, Apple freezes hiring for roles outside R&D. Next, Credit Suisse to extend global job cuts from new week. Next, uh, next, Imran learned not about plan to kill me days before. Was hit by 4 bullets. Next, US October job growth beats expectations. Next, Pakistan stock market valuation attractive. Next, XI tells calls China opposes nuclear force in message to Putin. Next, China's Beidou navigation satellite first to give SMS service. Next, Russia attacks live 4,50,000 in Kiwis without electricity. Next, Nishan may snub Renault revamp over sharpening tech. Then we comes to page number 9. It's an article section that data goes private. Next, I am the demolizer. Next, a crucius deal with or without the blue tick. Next, gully cricket is dead. Next, the chief tweaked takes over. Then we comes to page number 10 on that European banks loss may add US peers. Next, indices eke out gains to end week in green. Next, rupees locks best single day gain in a month on strong FPI flows. Next, Varun Beverage ABB page may soon become large capital. Next, institutional investors lap up Fusion Microfinance offers. Next, Bikaji Foods offer bought 1.5 time. Next, Global Health IPO subscribe 49%. Next, after meeting quarter 2 expectations, HDFC outlook appears healthy. Next we comes to page number 11 on that Nerolac looks off color amid margin concern. Next, bet on infrastructure fund to ride on government push. Then next, rush to cash at fastest pace since COVID. Then we comes to the on page number 23 and that an emerging green energy industry. Next, Ghatik driverless B2B delivery gain pace in US Canada. Next, in page number 24 on the Delhi government offer orders WFH for half its staff primary school to be shut. Next, New Delhi tops in air pollution out of 93 cities globally. iCar. Next, Brand Kohli in top form as he found, turns 34. That much for today. Thanks for watching. Make a good day.